Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. So today I am working on my eye look with Mayo Cosmetics and Aina because I need to have my makeup prepped so that when I do my Boxyxharm box for y'all, I am beat to the gods, okay? Before we get any further into this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But enough of that, let's jump into this eye look I'm about to do. So for some odd reason, I cannot find my NYX Cosmetics jar, the one with the white one. So we're gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer on my eyelid. I already have makeup on my eyelid, so that's why it's probably gonna change colors in a minute. But millennials, how are y'all doing? I hope y'all holding up, because I know it's rough. I honestly don't feel like keeping this part in the video, so we're just going to go ahead and move on to the next step. So before we move any further, I do have setting powder under my eyes just because I want to make sure if there is any fallout, I can just brush it away, and hopefully, I pray to God, it doesn't give me a hard time, but if it does, it's just gonna have to work. Okay, so we're gonna go in with my Aina palette, and we're gonna go in with Ginger in my crease. So does anyone have any tips on just wedding planning, or how to have a beautiful wedding with a beautiful budget? Because I am not trying to spend buku money. I'm trying to enter a marriage, without any financial problems, LOL. These venues, they cost a lot. Okay, they're not just a penny and a dime. It's a lot. Make sure that part is buffed out pretty good. I need to pluck these browns, honey. Jeez. Jeez Louise. We're gonna go in with Big Wig. Big Wig! I don't know how much I like that brush. That brush acting stiff. Acting like it don't want to move. I'm trying to get out of the habit of cutting my crease all the time because it doesn't always call for a cut crease with makeup. So with my Mayo Cosmetics, I'm going to use this really neon yellow. And I remember trying it on for the first time and I fell in freaking love with it. So we're gonna use it again. So it's really, really loose. So usually I just like to tap it off into the lid of the product because it picks up a lot, as you can tell. And then I'm just going to pat it in. I'm over here talking about just in case I get some fallout. It was gonna be some fallout regardless. Now on camera, you can definitely see that color pop, but for me, it looks like it's just chalk. So I'm gonna keep adding and applying so that it has its vibrance. We're gonna go in with my brush that I used for the purple and the ginger, and we're just going to try blending that into what's already there. And since we're pretty much done with my eyeshadow now, I'm just gonna try brushing this away. Oh, okay. It didn't try playing me today. So now I'm just gonna brush off the rest. And honestly, I could have been brushed off the rest, but I didn't. Okay, now we're gonna go with my liner. That was pretty long. I don't know where I thought I was going, but that was a flick of the wrist. That's a little better, because I was not about to be doing that. No, ma'am. That's too long. All right, and so now that we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and go with my mascara. And now we'll go with my 25 milliliter lashes, because baby, this look deserves dramatic lashes. Do y'all see the transformation that you get applying lashes? Y'all can't tell me that you don't need lashes. I mean, you kind of don't, but for me, I do. Okay, because they cute. They cute. They so cute that they cute. And if they didn't make sense, good. So I just realized I did not do my whole face like I thought. I didn't put on my blush, my highlighter. So I'm gonna do that off camera, but I'm pretty much done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, I don't know what to title this. It was just a, let's do this. But please make sure to like, comment, and
subscribe.
Okay, you guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is about to be this Boxyxharm unboxing. So stay tuned for that. Peace out.